Hello and welcome. Today, we'll delve into the installation process of the Desktop Portal version 5 and tackle some common issues that might arise along the way. Let's kick things off with the installation procedure. First, ensure you have the .NET Desktop Runtime 6.0 installed on your devices. Then, download the standalone Web View 2 and the package from your admin portal. Remember, don't opt for the MSI unless you're well-versed in advanced installer concepts. With version 5, customization is key. You can tweak the portal name, favicon, and logo using the MSI installer. Just ensure your images are in proper PNG format to avoid common issues. Do not change JPEG image extension to PNG. This is actually a common issue that repeatedly occurs. Do you want to disable App Auto Start? It's as easy as tweaking a parameter in the registry. Simply set the Enable Auto Start parameter to 0. No more automatic launches. Rolling out version 5 is easy with our step-by-step guide. I will leave an article with all the information you need in the description of this video. Sometimes you might face some installation issues. The most common are missing app settings to JSON error. The installation requires the app settings.json file, containing crucial settings like portal branding and server endpoint. Ensure the file exists in the same folder as the installer. If downloading the installer package from the admin portal, unzip it first, then attempt installation from the extracted files to avoid this error. Another common issue is missing favicon.png or logo.png error. The branding icon files favicon.png and logo.png are necessary for client portal installation. Ensure they're in the same folder as the installer. When installing the tech portal, these files are optional. Unzip the package before installation to prevent the error caused by clicking the installer from inside the zip file. Another issue is the .NET Core requirement. Desktop version 5 relies on Web View 2 and requires .NET Desktop Runtime 6.0, at least 6.0.2, for successful installation. Install .NET Desktop Runtime 6.0 before proceeding with the installation. Confirm the correct version is installed by running .NET Info in your computer's command prompt. Last but not least, packaging .NET and Web View 2 with the installer. Currently, there are no plans to bundle .NET and Web View 2 with the installer. Both must be installed on the machine beforehand for the DeskDirector installer to work properly. If you are having more installation issues, please check the logs in the folders of your machine. If you contact us for support, please also attach the log files. And there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.